Then we get up in the morning, we should say, okay, I have something to do. The belief that retirement wo jata hai, 60 years या 60 अब घर पे बैठना नहीं, हमारा responsibilities are over, now we don't need to do much. We are breaking that norm. You're saying there's no retirement. Age is only in our minus. We can still do a lot of things. So we offer that at the doorstep. So the attempt is that we are one of those first time entities who are trying to get into housing complexes and trying to offer that service to do the residents of those housing complexes. So one story I want to end with. Recently, we discovered one of our members, we have presence in almost 5 to 6 societies right now. One of the members mentioned that I used to play chess in the past, and he's 85 years old. And his daughter called me up and said, he's forgotten over a period of time. He's kind of forgotten how to play chess. So please get him into the mode of use that skill if you can. And I just invited him. I said, why don't you come and teach the rest of them, coach the rest of them how to play chess? And he said, no, I forgot you. He was a champion at some point, and but I pushed him and nudged him, saying that it's doable. Anybody can do it. So he went back, discussed with his grandchild, who is a teen, about 16, 17 years old, who lives in US. He did a online virtual tutoring with his grandchild, saying that please rehearse with me how to play chess because I've forgotten it. And the grandchild actually guided him. And yesterday we had our first orientation session. He was the coach. He turned out to be the coach, coaching the rest of them. So what we bring to table as Happy to Age is to create a intergenerational community which is living together in a community where we can actually provide this platform. Happy to Age is actually a social platform which gives a platform for people to come and rediscover themselves. So thank you so much. Please, I can provide more information about Happy to Age later after this platform is done. Thank you so much.